So good morning, America. I hope you ate your Wheaties.
I'm ready to rock and roll. It's gonna be a big day today.
We got a busy day. We got both trucks going out to one job. And we're about to bust it out, guys. Hopefully everyone's getting money, stacking paper, getting cash, and hauling and balling. And JoJo did bring a lunch today.
I brought protein bars for both of us.
That's so sweet. So stay tuned, guys. We're heading to Hillsborough, California to go bust this job out. And I got the redneck back there in the other truck. And yeah, we're heading on out. So stay tuned. Now let me tell you guys how we got this customer. It was actually off a Google search. It's a repeat customer. The redneck came over here and another guy and tore down the shed, or actually it's a barn, and now we're here to load it up. So yeah, that's how we got the job. It's a repeat customer, found us on Google. And we got both trucks here and we're about to load them up and get cashed out.
And we're getting an early start today because it's going to be hot in California today. So we're getting it done quick and early.
It's going to be 93 degrees. It's going to be a hot one. It's beautiful over here too. So here's the job. And the redneck tore this thing down. And he did it a couple days ago. He separated all the metal. And all this got to go, and there's another pile on the other side of the dump trailer. So it ain't that bad, it's all big pieces. He did it to make it easy to load up, and it ain't gonna take that long. We got about 4 loads of wood, and the rest is all metal. Always gotta make sure you got some bar and chain oil with you guys. Or else stuff ain't gonna cut as good. Make sure you always got a sharp chain with you too. And don't overfill it like I just did.
What's up, guys? America. So today we're gonna be beating the beep out of this pile, and we'll link a little bit of the footage of how the redneck precisely got this building down. And it wasn't easy, guys. It was not easy. We used a real chainsaw, and it was work. It was like 5 hours, and it was amazing. So some of the tools of the trade were a chain, a truck, and a chainsaw, and 2 guys. And now we have 4 people and 2 trucks to haul off Redneck's mess. So stay tuned.
What's up, man?
It's rocking out, guys.
Oh, yeah.
The redneck loves the heat. And the redneck loves to break stuff. In a professional manner. So guess what? The dump trailer in the tundra is mine to drive for the day. Guess what that means, guys? Hood ornament. Hood ornament. What do you think, sir?
Redneck for real. Like the Dukes and Hazzards.
Should I put that on the Honda?
Maybe.
Gatorade.
Ooh, high complexity H2O. Sonoma Strong Holland, high complexity H2O. Nothing like some fine water.
Now let's talk trash in the dump line with Matt, Vic, and JoJo. Yeah. So, I'm telling you guys like this, if you got one trailer and one truck right now, you want to add one more to your fleet. It'll make life a lot easier. You can go back to one of our first videos and see how we started with just a truck and a trailer. Now we got two things that have a button, and we're just building our fleet. So it's real important. We did this 2 loads within an hour, and that's going to save a lot of time.
And it's double the money in an hour.
Double the money in an hour, and we get to hang out and do whatever we want to do for the rest of the day. So
it is so cool.
it's all about just being smart about your business. Definitely get something with the button and add stuff to your fleet. So we're adding another dump truck after we buy a house. So
You know what I like?
What do you like?
Actually, I love this. So we are super appreciating having 2 things with a button, and I'm really glad that we're not having to do things by hand with that utility trailer. But I'm thankful that we did that, because it makes you appreciate this so much more. Because I was looking at the huge pile that we had earlier, and I was thinking, you know what? I'm really glad we don't just have that utility trailer anymore. But I knew that if we did, we would still do the job and we would still get it done. But it's so great just being able to push a button. And now we have 2 trucks going, and it's so exciting. And I'm really glad that you guys out there have gotten to watch us grow, like right along with us. So it's kind of cool.
What's your prediction of the dump fee for both trucks?
I'm gonna say 119 for mine.
Well, they're both together.
Half the load, 119.
So 240?
Yeah.
All right. I'm 260. What are you, babe?
252.
Let's see what happens. So the redneck one, it was 239. He said 119. So he guessed 240. So he was right on the money. 3,760 pounds. About to go do it one more time. How you feeling, JoJo?
Good. It's definitely a workout morning for sure.
So we are back for round 2, and give us a thumbs up in the comments if you guys would like a video to come out about how to do estimates. We'll do a series, how to give estimates over the phone, how to give estimates at big hoarder jobs, and also how to price your jobs and per loads and all that good stuff, guys. So leave a thumbs up if you guys like videos like that, and we'll make a series. Back for round number 2. About to get it done.
Paper, huh?
Look at that, she holding a rat, guys.
It looks like a
Let it
shish
hit, let
kebab.
it hit.
Oh,
A shish kebab. Come
wow.
over for dinner
Come over
at JoJo's house. Have shish kebab.
That's the coronavirus for real.
Is that Mighty Mouse?
Are you for real right now?
Come on, dude, I got the coronavirus.
Wow. You got the coronavirus. Redneck for real.
That's what's up, guys.
So round 2 is done, and I am filthy dirty. And how was that, JoJo?
It was hard work. It was hard work for the morning, but you know, junk removal sometimes is hard work. Sometimes it's easy. You pull up and clean out a garage, and other times you're loading up wood. And so I was on doing one of my least favorite things is all the tiny little stuff, and it probably is everybody's. But I just found that instead of bending over a million times, I just get on the ground and scoop it up and put it in the trash can. To me, it's just way more comfortable to just be on the ground and just like digging in it and tossing it in. You get really dirty, but it's just, I find it easier to get things done that way.
So 4 loads done, and it is what? Probably, what time is it?
It is 10:10.
10:10.
Oh
4
my
loads
gosh.
done, and we'll be back for the metal after lunch. So yeah, getting money, and we'll be done by 11:30. Way better having 2 things with buttons and getting stuff done fast and beat the heat, guys. So I would definitely invest in another vehicle. If you can get 2 things with a button, seriously, it'll be a game changer, and you can get stuff done twice as fast and make life easy. It's all about making life easy in junk removal, because sometimes it's hard work and you don't want to be unloading that thing by hand all day. JoJo, prediction of the dump fee.
162.
I'm gonna say 170. Damn, my lips are dry. They're all brown. Look at that, it's crust. It's hard work, guys. It's just getting in there, getting it, getting money.
I ain't kissing you. I'm not kissing you.
So guess who won?
Off by $1. $1. Ah,
So we're back at the landfill, my favorite place. Best place to be. It's like the bank. It's like the buffet. It's like the refrigerator late night. Oh yeah, we're back. No one's here.
so it was 261.
261. The
And I guess
JoJo won.
262.
Nice.
Yeah.
El luncho.
Snacky.
So what did the JoJo order?
A burrito bowl, grilled chicken, everything on it, and no rice.
Nice.
It's a no carb day.
No carb day. We eat carbs over here in the redneck.
Salsa.
Oh yeah. You want to say anything to the subscribers?
Death to
Wow, are you serious?
this burrito.
Death to this burrito.
This thing's going down, guys. Look at this. Redneck is hungry.
Oh yeah.
This thing is gonna be juicy.
So we're back for round 3. It's all that metal right there, and then there's a little bit of metal right here. We're about to get it done.